The web has been dispersing overflowing data on a dynamic blockchain stage, and its ease of use and security-related highlights. On numerous occasions, the crossbreed agreement component of blockchain and different tokens spinning around it has additionally been in warmed conversations. Nonetheless, not many organizations have really gone into the profundity of tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchanging local area. Before we dive into the REN cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the insights about the coin. REN, the brains behind the game. Everything started with two cohorts at Australian Public College by name of Taiyang Zhang and Long Wang chose to work for a clever undertaking post their graduation. Before long, their own established programming organization began programming for exchanging calculations, becoming eminent for the mastery. The principal multifaceted investments Virgil Capital, for which Zhang perspired him the break required. During this excursion, he likewise saw the gigantic difficulties and bottlenecks the financial backers looked while exchanging cryptographic forms of money. He additionally saw that the centered justification for these obstacles was that exchanges being public on blockchain likewise included OTC buys, and that likewise administered the unpredictability and costs. An enormous trade-to-wallet misdirects the financial backers while presenting inconvenience in OTC exchanging. Affluent financial backers were the most awful hit. Thus, turned into the beginning of REN an enthusiastic beginning. Characterizing REN, unwavering quality encased organization. Zhang chose to have the system of Ethereum, ETH24 REN as a conspicuous decision, since it assumed it gave a definitive answer for the OTC issue, the Republic Convention. Realizing Wang's involvement with coding disseminated dataset innovations, including the development of a coding language for blockchain, Zhang teamed up with him to change blockchain interoperability issues. Thus, in the late spring of the year 2017, the Republic Convention was conceived, expected to devise a convention for free crypto resource blockchains to successfully convey. Additionally, having on the capability of non-divulgence and complete straightforwardness, REN continued on toward become the single open convention that worked within the middle between blockchains. Purviews all over the planet are rushing to institute regulation and guidelines to permit or make it more straightforward for organizations to do beginning coin contributions, ECOs, or token issuances. Basically, REN isn't represented by any controller. It is fairly a distributed local area represented PC network comprised of clients' machines or hubs enduring all money-related recessionary tempests. The leading group of REN understood that the simple individual usefulness of activity isn't adequate and that development implies spreading the wings. So eminent names like Kyber Organization, Matic, Polychain Capital, and IDEX got added to take the convention to raise levels. These organizations ensured utility, security, and further upgraded REN. It wouldn't be an exaggeration to say that these coalitions brought a steady cluster of clients, financial backers, and engineers to the REN project. REN as a token has been making critical cost changes on the lookout. Recorded on a greater part of trades, the symbolic shows a market cap of $386,752,402.11 and is as of now having a flow of 999,037,500 REN on the lookout. At the hour of composing this video, the ongoing cost of REN is exchanging around $0.3871. Despite the fact that numerous specialists consider that the coin could record a cost expansion in the impending years, there are numerous who devaluate this computerized resource, which is a decision for millions. The geeks have the accompanying fluctuated conclusions and forecast on REN cost alongside its market cap to refer to. The REN cost expectation anticipated states that the coin would arrive at a greatest cost of $0.479 and most reduced is anticipated around $0.000001 toward the finish of 2022. The REN coin cost forecast done cost demonstrates that the coin would arrive at a greatest cost of 57 cents toward the finish of 2022. In the same way as other cryptographic forms of money, REN cost also is powerless against market developments and feelings. Obviously, there are heartbreaks as much as valentines for this token. Notwithstanding, regardless of being profoundly unstable, REN cost has shown huge cost activity over the long haul. It completely relies upon the mastery of the devoted group of experts working for this combination. According to the specialist's cost forecast, the future cost of REN might even twofold in the impending months, taking it to $1.40. Cynicism also can't be disregarded for REN cost, as certain specialists think that the coin cost misses the mark concerning a forceful arranging procedure and the promoting contrivances. The pamphlet and tweets don't connect with the whole exchanging local area, thus financial backers, more than frequently, are struggling to hang on to realize what's going on the REN front. The mass reception normally flops, as REN cannot exclusively make do on the interoperability fleeting trend. There are factors separated from over that administer the cost of REN equitably, viz., related monetary forms, the crypto resources which are connected with REN yet don't perform well on the trade autonomously rule the cost of REN as well. Connection among market interest, which is a deep-rooted peculiarity of disconnected connection of interest and supply, works for REN. The more the holders purchase REN for a gigantic scope, no big surprise the cost will go childhood, the stockpile might descend. Security concerns, these are bottlenecks which, when they represent negative exposure, might carry the REN cost down because of mass selling. REN Value Forecast 2022. In view of 1-year authentic information and specialized examination, REN concocted its own blockchain stage, progressing itself from Ethereum base, getting enrolled in the significant cryptographic money trades of the world by end of 1 year. It wouldn't be an embellishment that this evaluated digital money could break every one of the obstructions and endure everyday hardships, scaling a pinnacle of 89 cents. With government-issued types of money unfit to support themselves directly following the pandemic, this could come as a respite for all REN financial backers, driving them to the way of high expectations and goals to execute in REN. For educational purposes, one might peruse the master expert's specialized examination and reports to remain refreshed with the estimate of REN at regular intervals. Toward the finish of 2022, the REN cost could cross the 57 cents cost level. REN Value Expectation 2023. According to our REN cost conjecture, the REN cost is anticipated to cross 58 cents by the start of 2023. The normal high for the year 2023 is 62 cents, and the low will be 51 cents. The typical REN cost expectation for the finish of 2023 is 56 cents. REN Value Forecast 2024. According to our REN coin cost forecast, REN is anticipated to cross 83 cents by the start of 2024. The normal high for the year 2024 is 61 cents. And the low will be 48 cents. The typical REN cost expectation for the finish